In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with conditional logic. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool, and with the addition of conditional logic, you can make your forms more dynamic and responsive to user input. This feature is particularly useful for situations where you want your form to adapt based on the answers given by respondents, making forms not only more interactive, but also concise and efficient. Let's get started by opening Google Forms. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Drive, click on New, then go to More and select Google Forms. Once you're in, you'll see a blank canvas ready for you to create your form. The next step involves structuring your form. Begin by designing your questions thoroughly. Remember, the key to using conditional logic effectively lies in understanding your form's flow and predicting the data you'll need to collect. For our example, let's start with a simple multiple-choice question. For instance, what type of support do you need, with options like technical support and sales inquiry? Now let's add conditional logic to this question. To do this, after you've typed in your question, look to the bottom right corner and click on the three-dot icon, often referred to as More Options. Here, you'll see the option to Go to Section based on answer. Select it. This option allows you to direct users to different sections based on their responses, enhancing user experience by showing only relevant questions. Next, you'll need to create multiple sections in your form. Each section will contain questions tailored to the choice that respondents select. So, if they choose technical support, they might be directed to Section 2 that asks for technical details. To add sections, simply click on the rectangle icon to the right in the toolbar and give each section a clear and descriptive title. After setting up your sections, go back to your original question and link each option to the respective section. This step is crucial. In the question settings, you should now see drop-down menus beside each answer option. Use these to assign each answer to its section. This configuration ensures that respondents see questions pertinent only to their interests or issues. Finally, always remember to preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top right before sharing it with your audience. This step allows you to experience the flow as a respondent would, ensuring that all conditional logic is functioning correctly. It's a good idea to test each path to confirm everything is in order. By investing time in setting up conditional logic in your Google Forms, you'll enhance the user experience and gather precisely the information you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful in your form creation journey.